Hello, welcome back to our channel. For those who are new to us, my name is Marcus. Okay. I wonder if you guys have been reading the news lately, financial news as it is, and for those who are thinking of venturing into the market, what are your thoughts? Right. Now, over the past 2 weeks, I've been getting questions from my friends that, well, what do you think on the market condition? Is it too high now? Or is it a good time to buy? Or is it a good time to sell now? Now, I was quite puzzled with these questions that came my way. I did a quick search, quick 10-minute search, and these are things that I came out from the headlines from the news itself, right? For example, S&P reaches new high, right? The Apple and Tesla stock split signal market has reached its top. That means what they are expecting is market is going to tank up there and it's going to start coming down, right? Get ready for the stock market crash of 2020. Okay, stock market bubble. Are stocks too expensive right now? So these are the questions that has been puzzling some of my members and some of my friends as well. Right? To them is that should they venture into the market at this point in time? Should they take the risk? Is it still going to go up or is it going to come down? Now ask yourself this: if you are a trader and you're going to venture into the market, if you read news like this, okay, these headlines like this, what comes to your mind? What kind of expectation would you have of the market? Would you be fearful? Okay, what would you be expecting? How will you expect the market to perform in that way? Will you be ready to go in to take a short position, or will you be ready to go in to follow the market and take a long position? For our members, the set concept of price, okay, it's basically BAU, business as usual, right? We don't pay attention to news, right? We do not allow news to affect us, to add additional variables to how we perceive the market, right? So how we trade is that we look at the charts and whichever way the market moves, whether it's going up or going down, there usually will be entry opportunities for us to take trades, right? So we follow what our charts tells us without outside influence. So in other words, for us, we keep it very simple. Okay, we adopt the philosophy of see no evil, hear no evil, speak no evil, right? Okay, we do not pay attention to news. News doesn't play a part in the way we trade or the direction of trades that we take. Our signals come from what we see on the charts, and based on the parameters, if all are aligned, we will take the trades. Now, as day traders, right, we do not we don't hold a position overnight in that sense. Okay, we are in and out of a trade pretty fast in terms of minutes, right? So if we allow all this news to affect us, okay, we might not be able to trade confidently. We might be trading in a very subjective manner. Okay, we are not being objective in that sense. So allow me to show you a couple of charts. Okay, a couple of examples of the days that we take trades. Okay. Okay, on this day itself, on the 8th of September. Now, remember the headlines that we saw earlier on, that market has probably reached its top and it's going to tank soon, prepare for the crash, etc. Now, if we were to trade, we will go into the market on this night itself, okay, and we look at the market and the market kept going up, okay, we will be hesitant to take a long trade, isn't it, right? And we're going to miss out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 opportunities to take a long trades. Okay, there were only 2 opportunities to take short trades here. Similarly, on this night itself, on the 14th of September, if we were to allow this news again, this fear that market is going to tank, it's going to crash, okay, we would have missed all these long opportunities to take our trades as well. Yeah. Well, I'm not saying that news are no good. Okay, news do play a part sometimes. Okay, but for us, like I mentioned earlier on, it's business as usual. We do not pay attention to news. We do not listen to news. We do not use news and base our trades on this news itself. Okay, so whatever news that come out has already been factored into the market movement itself. So we pay attention to the charts, we look for opportunities, and we trade in a very mechanical and very objective manner. As I mentioned earlier on, as day traders, we do not hold positions overnight, right? So we are in and out of a trade pretty fast, as you can see from, let's say, for example, from this chart itself, right? So even if we have taken a long trade, okay, if market has gone against us, okay, we can quickly square off our trade and then trade in the opposite direction. Take a short, for example. We trade as and how the market moves, okay, regardless of it. there will be opportunities for us to take our trades. I thank you for watching our videos. I hope that you have gained some insight onto this. Okay, do leave a comment below, and do let us know what topics you would like to see in our videos as well. For those who are new to us, remember to subscribe for more upcoming videos and click on the notification bell. I thank you for your time. Okay, remember to stay alert, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.